How to find saved videos on YouTube mobile app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so let's go ahead and open up YouTube to see how it's done. So when it comes to saving and finding the saved videos on YouTube, you have two options. The first one is the watch later list, and the second option is the personal list that you create. So let's go ahead and see how it's done both ways. Starting with the first one. So say for example, I have this video right here and I want to save it for later. So let me click on the three dots at the bottom right of the videos and click on save to watch later. Now once the video has been saved to watch later, how can I find it? It's easy. Just click on the library icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will get to this page right here where you will see the second section. It says playlists and the first playlist is the watch later, so click on it. And once you do that, you will see that the video that you have just saved, it's right here on the watch later list. So the second option is to save the video in a personal list or playlist. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me just click on the three dots again. You will see that the second option, it says save to playlist. If you click on it, it will give you the option to choose among one of your playlists. As you can see, I have no playlist right here, so let's go ahead and click on create a new playlist. Let's just call it test. You can edit the privacy, click on create, and as you can see, the playlist has been created. So let's go ahead and add the video there and click on done. And once the video has been saved to that playlist, let's click on the library again. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, in the same section as the previous list, which is the watch later, we will see next to it the playlist that we've created, and here this is the video that we have saved. So you can create multiple playlists right here depending on what you want. As you can see, this is the option to create playlist. This is where you will be able to find all of your saved videos depending on where you save them. So as you can see from the home page right here, just click on the library at the bottom right, and it's the second section that says playlists, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see and check your saved videos on YouTube mobile app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that, see you in the next video.